Most tax preparation offices share commonly used data, requiring repetitive entries during return preparation. In Drake Tax, these tasks can be accomplished by pressing a predefined combination of keys, or keyboard shortcuts, called macros, to help speed up these tasks. Let's create a macro to complete the e-file signature entries in the PIN screen. Before creating a new macro, let's go through the normal steps you would use to enter data for the PIN screen. Open the client file. Type PIN in the search field at the bottom of the screen to access the PIN screen. Press Tab or Enter. Enter the PIN signature date or press key combination Alt+D, an existing Drake hotkey, to auto-populate the current date. After pressing Tab or Enter, by default, Drake automatically assigns the taxpayer and spouse a PIN. Type your preparer PIN. Press Escape to exit the screen. Now let's create a macro to complete this repetitive action. To create or edit macros, go to the Setup menu from the Drake Tax home window and select Macros. Here you can edit existing macros or create new ones. Double-click your selected key combination from the hotkey column to select your macro. I'm using Alt+P for this example. Click Record at the bottom of the screen to easily capture your keystrokes. Now let's record the same steps we used in data entry to complete the PIN screen. Type PIN. Press Tab or Enter on your keyboard. Press Alt+D, an existing Drake hotkey that autofills the current date. Press Tab or Enter on your keyboard. Type your ERO PIN. Press Escape on your keyboard, which will exit the PIN screen. Click the Stop button to end the recording and click the Save button to save your new macro. Your new macro will now appear in the data column beside your selected hotkey. Click Exit to close the macro setup screen. To use the macro you just created, open a client file, enter your hotkey in the Return Selector field. Press Alt-P. Now your PIN screen has been completed. For more information, go to drakesoftware.com.